Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Onsitego off campus is hiring freshers. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the job role or the job title is for full stack developer, that too for the Python or React.js developer, and the job or the work location is Bangalore, and the salary or the CTC it ranges from 9 to 10 lakhs per annum. And the last date to apply for this particular job role, it is on Monday, that is 3rd October 2022, and the drive date it is conducted on Saturday, that is 8th October 2022, and all the rounds will be conducted online itself. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the education or the qualification needed, it is for BA or BTech graduates or BCA or MCA graduates are eligible to apply, and the streams eligible is either computer science, information technology, ECE or any other related branches, so they are also eligible to apply. And the batch or the year of pass out is for 2022, and you need to have good PH score to apply for this particular job role, and also good academic score or academic record is needed. So this is overall eligibility criteria for this particular job role. So then coming to the technical skills that are needed for this particular job role, as they are hiring for the Python developer, so you need to be expert in Python and with knowledge of at least one Python web framework. It can be Django, Flask, Pyramid or any other library such as Pandas and NumPy, and also familiarity with the ORM libraries, and you need to have knowledge of databases and good understanding of front-end technologies such as it can be React.js, AngularJS or Vue.js. So these are the overall skills that are needed for this particular job role. So then coming to the application link, it is through eLitmus. So first you need to create your account. So if you already have the account, you can just log in and just use your previous application, or you can just start your application, fill all the details, your education details, experience, everything, and lastly you can upload the updated resume and submit the application form. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.